Was it brand new? Yeah.
He took all these pieces off and restained them.
Oh, nice. Imagine when we have some adult time and dump the kids somewhere and it's just the adults.
Here, babe. Kaylee. Give them to Mark.
What?
What is that?
Water skis.
You already got the water skis? Nice.
He gave it to us. He gave us all that.
We need to get like a knee board too. This is a nice swim deck. That is a big motor, man.
See, there's a couple of cuts right here, but
This boat is so rad. I'm so psyched.
Andy says he ain't gonna come see us if we move to North Carolina.
You know what? I'm with Andy. We're gonna sit out here and drink and frickin' make comments. Like, I'm just gonna do what I do best. Piss everyone off.
This is just Vito. It's got bugs on the seat.
So those are snacks in case you get hungry. Oh man, I can't wait to get in the lake in this thing.
I didn't know this thing got feature.
Yeah, it's got a radio.
And it's man, when you really wash this thing, it's gonna shine.
4.7.